lovely beaches all along here. All the way to our hotel over there. Lovely long walk on the beach. This is in the video. Woo. Nice and cool. Nice and cool. Standing in it. Got my water shoes on. Here to enjoy it. Woo. Look at that. Guys. Nice and cool. Is that a nice sandy beach? Got me. Mangoes! Yeah, still fish is jumping in there. I don't know what they're saying. That's where we are sitting here. They are nice clouds here. Really nice. Yeah.
Someone come along with a little tractor and...
Maybe they power them up here. Woo! The tide's gonna get me again. Yeah. There's this restaurant over there. Yeah, there's few people outside. I like these little... How's it called? Shady place. Very nicely cute for the day when you want to come and rest in a shady place right in front of our hotel and the beach. Watching the views. Entrance to our beautiful hotel. I'm gonna rinse my face. The swimming pool. Now get Steve with a kitchen, the restaurants over there. Place to play your tennis. And this is a lovely view of everything. There we go. over there. That's where we just came from walking out of the neighborhood there. All the hotels, fancy hotels. There's another swimming pool there. This is the reception. It's Christmas place. Good place to get a drink of water. This is the reception. And then there's a place to sit in the reception. I'll meet you up there if you want to go to the shop. You want to go to the shop? This is the swimming pool. A nice place to relax in the afternoon. Place to wash sand off your feet. Or have a shower before you go swimming. There's a nice grass shade on it. A place for kids to swim there and play. Very nice swimming pool. Look at this. There's our hotel up there, 5th floor. Very nice, big deck, big room. Lovely ocean view from there. I think my card is full now. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.